sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 11:7:2. The balance sheet of the firm was as follows. Creditors, public deposit, reserve fund we distribute, outstanding expenses and capital of Divya, Yasmin and Fatima is given. Building, machinery, furniture, stock, debtors, provision and cash at bank. These all general points are given. Let us see what is given in adjustment. On 1st April 18, Aditya is admitted as a partner for 1/5 share, 1/5 share in the profits with a capital of 4,50,000 and a necessary amount of his share of goodwill. It means we need to calculate his goodwill, children. Okay, on the following terms. Furniture of rupees 2,40,000 were to be taken over by Divya, Yasmin and Fatima equally. They have taken equally. It means 2,40,000 divided by 3 means 80,000. Each and everybody has to pay 80,000. Okay. A creditor of 7,000 not recorded in the books to be taken into account. So it will go in revaluation account. A goodwill of the firm is to be valued at 2.5 years purchase of the average profit of last 2 years. The profit of the last 3 years were given. Means 15-16, 16-17 and 17-18. So this 2 lakh and this 6 lakh we will use because it is mentioned here last 2 years. Take profit of the last 2 years for the purpose of goodwill. Okay. At the time of Aditya admission, Yasmin also brought 50,000 as fresh capital. Okay, we will remember. Plant and machinery is revalued to rupees 2 lakh and expenses outstanding were brought down to 9,000. So these 2 points also will come in revaluation account. A very good and very important question for your examination point of view. This question was the part of CBSE sample paper 18. All the questions which belongs to CBSE sample paper 18 are standard question for examination point of view, children. So remember. So let's start, children, here with the calculation of goodwill. First we prepare working note for goodwill. Okay, so question number 70. Calculation of goodwill. Okay. So here it is mentioned that goodwill of the firm is to be valued at 2.5 year purchase of the average profit of the last 2 years. So last 2 year means 2 lakh plus 6 lakh divide by 2. So the average profit will be 8 lakh divided by 2 is equal to 4 lakh, which is to be multiplied with 2.5 year purchase. So multiply with 2.5 year purchase year. What we get? 4 2 8, 10 lakh. What is 10 lakh? 10 lakh is the goodwill of firm. And we want goodwill of Aditya. So Aditya share is good in goodwill.
1/5.
1/5 means 10 lakh multiply by 1 by 5 is equal to 2 lakh. So Aditya is bringing 2 lakh for his share of goodwill, and this goodwill is distributed by the partners in which ratio? In their sacrificing ratio. And Divya, Yasmin, Fatima, their sacrificing ratio becomes the old ratio 11:7:2, because it is not mentioned how much and which partner is sacrificing in favor of new partner. In this case, old partner becomes the sacrificing ratio. So 11:7:2. Divya, Yasmin, Fatima. Divya, Yasmin and Fatima, they distribute in 11, 7 and 2. When you add 11 plus 7, 18 plus 2, 20. It means 1,10,000. Am I correct, children?
Yes, sir.
70,000 and 20,000. This is what they share. Okay. Premium for goodwill is shared by them. This is working note for goodwill. Now what to do? Now we'll prepare revaluation account. These questions are very simple, very general, but very useful for examination point of view. I am telling you, children. Okay, debit and credit side. Let us see the revaluation. So you can see here, a furniture of 2,40,000 is taken. It's over. Creditor of 7,000 not recorded in the books to be taken into account. It means creditors are increased by 7,000. Where increase in liability will come? Debit side. So we write here two creditors. Increase in liability is recorded in debit side. Okay. Then here it is mentioned at the time of the plant and machinery is revalued to rupees 2 lakh, and you can see plant and machinery here is given 1,80,000. So it means it is increased by rupees 20,000. When assets increase, where do we write? Credit side. So by it is plant and machinery. Increased by 20,000. Okay. Then let us see what is given here. Expenses outstanding were brought down to 9,000. It's a liability. Expenses outstanding. And you can see expenses outstanding given 10,000. So it is reduced by 1,000. So liability is decreasing. It will be recorded in credit side. Okay. By outstanding expenses decreased by 1,000. Okay. Now let's see what is given. I think all points are over. 9 2 lakh. Yes, all these points are over. Creditors is also over. So children, 20 plus 1. 21,000. Okay. 21,000. 21 minus 7. 14,000. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Profit transferred to partners capital account. Okay. Partners capital account. The name of partner is Divya, Yasmin and Fatima. Divya, Yasmin and Fatima. In which ratio? 11:7:2. Can we divide? 11 plus 7 plus 2, 20. 1400 divided by 2, 700. 7 2 ja 1400. Yes or no? 7 7 ja 4900. 7 into 11, 7,700. Am I correct, children? I hope I am correct. Yes. So now let us prepare partners capital account. Divya, Yasmin, Fatima and Aditya. Partners capital account starts from credit side. So we write by balance brought down. First we write their capital from the balance sheet. Let us see. 5,10,000, 3 lakh, 5 lakh. So 5,10,000, 3 lakh and 5 lakh. Okay. Now how much Aditya brought capital? 4,50,000. So by bank Aditya brought 4,50,000. But children, there is one more partner who brought money Who is that? Yasmin also brought 50,000 as fresh capital. So in Yasmin, we also write 50,000. Yasmin also brought 50,000 as fresh capital. So we write in credit side. Fine. Yes. Now you can see the first adjustment here. First adjustment, furniture of 240 were taken by Divya, Yasmin, Fatima. So now they have taken, so they need to pay 80,000 all. So how to pay? We will debit their amount, their account. Okay, so we will debit their account. What is that? That was furniture. Okay, so we take two furniture,
Sir, 80,000 each.
80,000 each. Yes, correct. Because they have taken equally, isn't it? So that's why they all will pay 80,000. So how they pay? Normally partners capital account is deducted. Now there is a loss also, sorry, profit also by revaluation account. Profit will be transferred from here. This profits, okay, is transferred here. So 7,700, 4,900 and 1,400. Now we need to check, is there any reserves given? First we check about reserve. So you can see, yes, reserve fund is given 90,000. So we distribute reserve fund by reserve fund. 90,000 is given. So we need to distribute 90,000 in 11 is to 7 is to 2. Okay. So 90,000 divided by 20. 4,500, isn't it? 4,500 into 2. So 9,000 will come here. 4,500 into 7. 7 4 is 28. Solve it.
Sir, 315. 31,500.
31,500. Okay. And then solve it. 11.
49,500.
49,500. Very good. I was also calculating the same amount. Now, premium for goodwill we have computed earlier. Why premium for goodwill? How much we have computed? Premium 1 lakh 10, 70 and 20. 1 lakh 10,000, 70,000 and 20,000. This is premium for goodwill. Okay. And here you can see in asset side nothing is given. Here you can see all these points are over. And once again you can check here goodwill, everything is over. Yes children, everything is over here. Now what to do? You need to do the total of DYFA. Do the total. Yes children, do the total fast.
Sir, 6,77,200.
6 lakh. Okay, now it is correct. Now subtract 80,000.
3,76,400.
3,76,400. And now this will go in balance sheet. I hope everything is clear in partners capital account. Now let us prepare capital of Divya, Yasmin, Fatima and Aditya. So capital of Divya was 5,97,200. 5,97,200. Children, do the total. 3,76,400. 4,50,400 and 4,50,000. Yes, children, do the total and tell me.
Sir, 17,74,000.
17,74,000. Okay. So let us see what is given in balance sheet here. Creditors are given. Okay, is there any change in creditors? Huh? Creditors are to be paid 7,000 more, yes or no? So it would be 77,000.
सर ये 18 लाख 74 होगा.
Very good. पक्का ना? 18,74,000. Okay. Then public deposit, there is no change in public deposit, 1,19,000. $1,19,000. Then reserve fund, we have distributed outstanding expenses, would be 9,000. Okay. And we have written capital. Now come here, factory building. Is there any change in factory building? $7,35,000. Plant and machinery, any change? It would be 2 lakh. It is increased by 20,000. Furniture, any change in furniture?
सर 2,40,000 डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गया, मतलब
So out of 2,60,000, 2,40,000 distributed by partners. How much left? Furniture of rupees 20,000 is left. Stock, any change? No change in stock. 1,45,000. Debtors, any change? No change in debtors. $1,20,000. Okay, cash at bank. Is there any change in cash at bank?
सर यस सर ऐड 5 लाख.
1,59,000. Why 5 lakh?
सर
50,000. 50,000 is by Yasmin. 4,50,000 by Aditya. And 2 lakh premium for goodwill. हाँ?
सर वो तो कैपिटल से किया था.
अच्छा, कहाँ किया कैपिटल से?
सर
Where it is?
लाया था.
हाँ, yes. So do the total. 5, 6, 7.
8,59,000.
8,59,000. All points are over. Let us check once again. I hope all points are over. Yes, all points are over. Yes, children, do the total. Very good question. I hope now you people can do all questions which are given after. Okay, calculate for this side also.
सर सेम है.
20,79,000. Okay. So children, this question was very good and very important question, which was the part of CBSE sample paper 2018. All the questions which were the part of CBSE sample paper are very, very important, because these are the standard questions which are given by CBSE so that you can study it for your final examination. Normally in final examination, question comes near this question or this type of